Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings on Honor 200. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on System and Updates. Now click on Reset and then click on Reset Phone, and now scroll down and click on Reset Phone. Here you have to enter your pattern and now click on Reset. So as you can see, my phone is back into its factory settings and I have to do a phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.